が飛行機を交換することになりました。Yeah, I'm very happy.
So you earn because you pay one ticket. You using two aircraft, two plane.
You sit on two planes.
This one first plane, and then the second plane.
I move.
But you just pay for one ticket only, yeah.
One ticket.
You pay one ticket, but you sit on the plane for two times. Two different airlines.
Two different airlines.
Two different airplanes. The airplane didn't fly, so sit here.
Yeah. Okay. Hi. Do you translate?
1回のお金払って2回の飛行機の乗れる。1回のお金払って2回の飛行機の乗れる。お向けるからあなた。
みんなについて本当にどうすればいいかわからない。Thank you. Genki desu ka? The next flight is same ship. Same ship. Yeah.
No, not the wrong seat. The seat number here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
チャンネル登録待ってるよ。
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. See you. Yeah. Thank you.
46 feet, heading to Kuala Lumpur. Flight time will take us approximately 45 minutes this time. And just a reminder, for your safety and well-being, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. As we depart shortly, please sit back, relax, and have a pleasant flight. And once again, on behalf of my crew, thank you for your patience and understanding, and welcome aboard. Expected for the delay is going to be 45 minutes to an hour. As such, Changi Airport Air Traffic Control has instructed us to proceed back to the gate to wait for the next departure slot time. All these are beyond our control within the company, and we have to respect the restrictions given by the air traffic control. Again, I'd like to thank you for your understanding. Any more delays or updates, I will provide to you when I have those information. Thank you.
は
Kuala Lumpur. We'd like to sincerely apologize for the late arrival of this flight. The local time is 10:30 in the evening. Charging your portable electronic devices and not allowed during taxi. Please remain seated with fastened passengers until the seatbelt signs are turned off. It is important that you do not stand up until advice is given by the crew. Please be careful when opening the compartment, as items may have fallen during landing and could fall out. Please try to not leave anything behind on your seat or in your pocket. It was a pleasure having us today and look forward to welcome you once again. Thank you and have a good night.